Hi, I'm Alyn Brewis, and here is another nice car for sale. This is a rarity. This is a 2011 61 plate 1.5 EcoBoost Turbo Focus Titanium X. Now there's lots of Focuses on the road, they are the country's biggest seller, but this is the first Titanium X that I have had. Very nice car. It's presented here in dark mica stone pearlescent. If you're eagle-eyed you will see that there's a little mark on the back bumper, but I have ordered up from Ford proper touch-in pencil, so that'll get dabbed in. I always say to people I can't make them new, but I do get them as good as I possibly can, and this car is a belter. Huge specification. You'll be bored by the time this video ends if I was to list everything. Half leather interior with the centre armrests with the cup holders integrated. All round electric windows, obviously Isofix child seat fixings. It has a 6-speed gearbox, push button start, integral Sony CD player, digital climate control, dual zone. It also has the buttons down here for your park assist, so your front and rear parking sensors. The park assist where the car will park itself for you once you find a suitable parallel parking spot. 6-speed gearbox, heated front seats, obviously the keyless entry, leather covered multifunction steering wheel including the cruise control, Bluetooth, and this also has lane assist, which warns you if you are veering off lane and keeps you in place. Onboard trip computer, automatic headlights, automatic rear view mirror, automatic wipers. Originally a Ford demonstrator for 5 months. That's probably the reason why it's got the extra spec on. And then only one local owner from you who just happened to be a doctor. Now it was serviced at Ford at 68,000 miles. It's now done 69,000 miles. And there's 7 stamps in the book. Absolutely full service history. LED daytime running lights, bi-xenon headlights with headlamp power wash. Absolutely massive specification, and a really clean car to boot in a lovely colour. Ford demo plus 1 doctor owner, full history, great pedigree. If you'd like to see for yourself just what a lovely car this is, take a test drive in this or any of the other 50 or so nice cars that we have for sale, feel free to give me a call, Alyn Brewis, on 01670 523344.